loses, no one to blame. Sometimes I can't understand how it can be so hard to stay out of pain. But with you everything has changed, even though
Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing good. Welcome back to my channel House of कलाकृति। आज की वीडियो है बहुत ही स्पेशल क्योंकि मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ कुछ ऐसे ब्यूटीफुल और स्टाइलिश होम डेकोर आइटम्स, साथ ही साथ कुछ ऐसे किचन ऑर्गेनाइजर्स जो काफ़ी यूजफुल भी हैं और काफ़ी फंक्शनल भी, एंड मोर ओवर दे विल एड द एस्थेटिक इन योर किचन एज वेल। So let me show you my first home decor item. The packaging of the product was really good. It's a piece of fine craftsmanship. These are the beautiful handcrafted wooden wall mirrors. You can place it in your living room or bedroom. This is elegant and beautiful wall decor set of 2. It's a great addition in my bedroom. The mirror is sturdy and seemed to be quite solid. I would highly recommend to you all. The size and the length of these wooden carved wall mirrors are quite impressive. It gives the traditional look in my bedroom. And of course, the look of the entire room has changed. It has completely brightened up my wall. There were some minor scratches on the sides of the frame. I think it's expected on a handmade product. This kitchen organizer is not just a functional entity that holds your daily essential. It has a strong, sturdy wooden frame come along with the 2 metal handles, which is quite strong. You can put all your spoons, forks in these 2 sections, and in the 3rd section you can place your folded napkins, knives, serving cutlery or any small decor piece as well. This holder is multifunctional. You can use it as a kitchen utensil holder, stationery holder, makeup organizer, or you can also place your TV remotes. Moving on to the next item, I have purchased this beautiful, strong and sturdy cake stand or a planter stool. It has a strong and sturdy metal frame legs. It has met my expectations. It has a shiny top. This multi-use designer stool for your living room is sure turns the heads when displayed. It not only adds the aesthetic look but also offers a premium feel to any style of home decor. This kind of stands adds a fancy charm in your kitchen countertop or on your dining table. आप इस तरीके के प्लांटर पॉट स्टैंड ले सकते हैं किसी भी स्मॉल और मीडियम साइज के पॉट्स को रखने के लिए. इट गिव्स अ हाइट ऑफ 4 to 5 inch और डेफिनेटली इट इज गोइंग टू एलिवेट दैट कॉर्नर ऑफ योर लिविंग रूम और दैट एरिया ऑफ योर हाउस. Moving on to the next item, मैंने लिया है एक किचन ऑर्गेनाइजर. इट इज़ अ प्रीमियम सर्कुलर किचन ऑर्गेनाइजर विद ब्लैक फ्रेम. ये थोड़ा हटके है, डिफरेंट है. आई हैव नेवर सीन इट बिफोर. I was expecting the screws should be there inside the box, but it was not there. I got the screws from the carpenter and it was very easy to install at home. Once it gets installed, it was looking very beautiful on the countertop. It's a beautiful product. It exceeded my expectation. An apt addition in my kitchen countertop. Very easy to clean and maintain. It is used as a space saving organizer. ये जगह भी कम लेता है. इसमें डबल रैक शेल्फ है. आप easily stack कर सकते हो अपनी ऑयल डिस्पेंसर बॉटल्स, स्पाइस जार्स. It has enough space to get your stuff organized. Moving on to the next item, I have purchased a beautiful decorative piece for my bedroom. चाहो तो आप इसे लिविंग रूम में भी रख सकते हो. देखने में बहुत सुंदर है. छोटा सा मैंने टेबल लैंप लिया है. ये वुडन फ्रेम के अंदर है. आई फील रियली हैप्पी व्हेन आई रिसीव दिस प्रोडक्ट. बहुत ही प्यारा, क्यूट सा, छोटा सा ये टेबल लैंप है. ज़्यादा स्पेस भी नहीं लेता आपकी बेड साइड टेबल के ऊपर. This small lamp is called as mini teak wood retro flower bedside table lamp with small tripod. इसके अंदर मुझे फिलिप्स का बल्ब मिला था 40 watts का. आई एम वेरी सेटिस्फाइड एंड हैप्पी आफ्टर रिसीविंग दिस प्रोडक्ट क्योंकि मुझे इतना एक्सपेक्ट नहीं था बिकॉज रिव्यूज़ इतने अच्छे नहीं थे इस प्रोडक्ट के. बट जब मैंने परचेज़ किया आई वॉज रियली हैप्पी क्योंकि ये स्पेस बहुत कम लेता है मेरी बेड साइड टेबल के ऊपर, विच वॉज माई फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी. यू विल फाइंड ह्यूज डिजाइन्स, कलर्स एंड डिफरेंट वेरिएशंस in the lamp shade, and you can select this beautiful and sleek table lamp according to the theme of your home. You will find all the links of these products in my description box so you can check out. If fruits are lying on any kind of a tray, it doesn't look nice. Therefore, I have purchased this beautiful pedestal wooden bowl. This wooden bowl features a curved stand-like structure at the bottom that gives a royal charm. This is 100% food safe material which makes them perfect for your kitchen use. You can clean with a mixture of liquid soap and water. Avoid keeping them in water for the longer time. This pedestal wooden ball not just adds the aesthetic in my dining area but also has made my life super easy. Now my family can pick and eat whatever the food they want. Now let me talk about this beautiful white vanilla cake stand. It is bigger in size. You can easily place your 1 to 1.5 kg cake. It has a beautiful marble top and the wooden carving is superb. Overall, the quality of the product is brilliant. It has anti-skid stickers at the bottom. It is little heavy, which makes it more classy and elegant piece. You can use these kind of cake stands on any kind of celebrations, whether it is a birthday party, anniversaries or any kind of housewarming parties. You will also get one more option in this cake stand with the glass top lid. It is really very nice. You can cover your cakes and muffins. Alternatively, you can also use this cake stand for your home decor purpose. You can place it in any corner of your home, whether it's a living area or a bedroom. If you are watching my channel first time, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, guys. And if you are liking this video, then please press the like button as well. You will find links of all these products in the description box. This is beautiful floral pot with iron stand. You can use it for the home decor and the garden decor. You can place this pot indoor or outdoor. It is rust free. It is not at all fragile. Everything about this pot, from the shape, finishing and the decorative pattern, make it an instant head turner and grabs your attention. Whatever the corner it is kept in instantly becomes the best part of the room. Just add your favorite plant. I have kept my peace lily inside it and you are done. In today's video, I have shown you number of products from which you can decorate your living room, bedroom, dining area or any corner of your house. And I hope this video will be very useful to all my subscribers. And those who are watching me first time, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon button so that whatever the video I uploaded, you will get the notification on the timely basis. If you guys like this video, I have made one more video on Amazon home decor haul which covers these beautiful green sofas. I have recently purchased from the Sleepyhead. I have made a video on them. You can check out this video. I will share the link in the description box. You will find some other home decor products as well. Do check out and do let me know how do you feel about it. Bye bye, take care, have a great day.
I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it